If, like every EA I know, you receive items to add to your to-do list from dozens of places, Teams, email, Slack, etc., I have good news for you. Trello has a new feature to make life easier, and it's called Inbox. Trello's new Inbox feature gives you a private catch-all list inside Trello. You can forward an email, save a Slack or Teams message, or even use Siri, and everything lands in your personal inbox list. Here's how you use it. Say you get a Slack message that turns into a task. Hit Create Card from Message in Slack. It sends a card to your inbox list on your Trello board, which is private so only you can see it. This works for Microsoft Teams too. You can also forward an email and Trello will convert it to a task that goes directly on your inbox list. Trello uses AI to clean up the task. It pulls out due dates, suggested action items, even turns bullet ideas into a checklist, all inside that card neatly summarized for you. Then later, when you're ready, you drag cards from your inbox to the appropriate board or workflow. This is ideal for EAs drowning in cross-platform clutter. Try it out and let me know what you think.